Have an old computer gathering dust? Before you toss it out or spend big bucks on a new one, hold on. Today I'm going to show you how to breathe new life into your aging PC, all with free software. First, let's talk operating systems. If your current OS is dragging its feet, consider switching to a lightweight Linux distribution. Lubuntu is a Ubuntu-based system designed to be light on resources, perfect for PCs with limited RAM and processing power. Even lighter is Puppy Linux. It runs entirely in RAM and requires as little as 300 MB. Maybe a full OS switch isn't for you. No worries. There are system cleanup tools that can significantly boost performance. BleachBit is an open-source cleaner that frees up disk space and improves privacy by deleting unnecessary files. CCleaner, even its free version, offers robust cleaning features to optimize your system's performance. Sometimes the software we use daily is the real resource hog. Try lightweight alternatives like LibreOffice, a free and less demanding office suite that's fully compatible with all your documents. For browsing, ditch heavy browsers like Chrome for options like Midori or Firefox Lite. They're designed to be fast and light on system resources. Enhancing how your PC manages memory can make a world of difference. Wise Memory Optimizer helps free up and tune your system's physical memory, making your PC run smoother. Process Lasso intelligently adjusts the priority of running programs to prevent system stalls and boost responsiveness. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips. Disable startup programs you don't need, keep your drivers updated, and consider adding lightweight antivirus solutions like Avast Free Antivirus. Reviving your old PC doesn't have to cost a dime. With these free tools and a little bit of tweaking, you can get your trusty machine running like new again. Now your PC is shining and running smoothly. Thanks for joining me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which software made the biggest difference for you. Until next time, happy computing!